It's the Brief 3 deadline. Let's go!
Woo!
Don't do that. Second clap.
For our most recent architectural brief, I decided to look at war-torn cities and specifically Poland in World War II. I used visual references from the film The Pianist to get inspiration for line, shape and texture. To create my designs for my final collection, I layered up and manipulated my imagery on Photoshop. This collection was created for interior applications including wall coverings, tiles and carpets. For my final product mock-ups on tiles, I'm going to be using the Mimaki flatbed printer to build up inks and textures to give a 3D effect.
For this brief, I've used the details of Parisian architecture to create lino cuts both by hand and digitally to give a textural output for wall coverings to be used in hospitality and commercial environments. For the lookbook, I visualised a rustic large-scale wall covering in a bar, a feature wall mural in a restaurant, and also decorative statement panelling in a hotel space. For the product mock-ups, I'll be using the Mimaki flatbed for rigid wall covering surfaces and the Canon to use the matte gloss effects on wall coverings too, to give extra textural details to the hospitality spaces.
So my project was based on Swedish cabin windows, so I really played around with silhouettes. And with that, I really wanted the bold red and more fun colours, along with the stark contrast of black, along with the printing. So as the projects progressed, I realised that it's more of a decor fabric. So I would really love to put it on upholstery fabrics and linens. And I think that's where I'm going to take my fabric swatches. To follow my ideas from my lookbook, I want to print on more linens and upholstery fabric, and I think the Naturals collection would work really well with that. I would like to print on the poly linen, and I would love to use the Mimaki TX300P printer so I can print directly onto the Organics collection.